Webmaster Tools. Out of many SEO tools, Google Webmaster Tool is one of the most useful. It doesn't have all the perks of commercial SEO suites, and it's not a tool for any SEO need, but it comes from Google itself and it offers a lot of vital SEO insights. All these are good reasons to start using Google Webmaster Tool. What Google Webmaster Tool is? It is hardly difficult to guess from the name itself that Google Webmaster Tool is a set of tools for webmasters. However, what you don't know right away is that it is a very useful tool set that allows you to communicate with Google and adjust many aspects of how Google sees your site, such as list the external and internal links to your website, adjust the crawl rate at which Google boot indexes your sites, check the keywords used type to land on your site, as well as click-through rate of each keywords, see your site statistics, and many more. One issue that needs mentioning is privacy concern. Since you are giving Google full access to your website stats, you might be worried about how they handle this data. Well, Google is a reputable company and it is not very likely that will abuse the data you are giving the access to. If confidentiality is a top concern for you, think twice before letting Google to your website secrets. If you use Google Webmaster Tools together with Google Analytics, the result will be even better. You can access the Google Webmaster Tools directly from Google Analytics. So if you have already using Google Analytics, with just some more effort, you could easily integrate with Google Webmaster Tools. In order to use Google Webmaster Tool, you need to join it first. You can do it from here. After you join, you need to go through the verification process so the Google knows you are legit owner of the sites you want the user use Google Webmaster Tools on. There are several ways to verify ownership. The first one is to download an HTML file and to upload it to root directory of website. Another one is to add an HTML tag into the head of your website homepage. If you're using some Google account for Google Analytics, a third option to verify ownership is Google Analytics. There are more ways to verify ownership, but if you're interested in them, check Google Webmaster Tool settings and you will see them. Once you have verified your ownership, you have the Google code in place on your website. You can now start enjoying the advantages of Google Webmaster Tool. When you log into Google Webmaster Tools account, the first thing you will see is dashboard. From here, you can access all the major sections, search queries, links to your website, scroll errors, keywords, and sitemaps. Click on any of this will open the respective section. Search queries. Search queries section shows the keywords that led users to use your website. This long list shows the keywords users search for, and when they came to your website, it is the best if this list matches the keywords you are optimizing for. But very frequently, the list contains good keywords you are unaware of. In this case, pick these good keywords and start optimizing for them too. In the search queries section, you can also see the number of impressions and a number of clicks, which gives you an idea about CTR for this keyword. All equal a high CTR means the keyword is relevant. So you might want to invest some more effort in this keywords. However, if you notice that this a result of each your effort CTR goes down, it is best if you do not touch the keywords anymore. Links. The second very useful section of Google Webmaster Tool is the links. Here you can see where your backlinks, internal and external links came from, as well the packages that linking to. As with other link checking tools, do not expect that every single link to your site is displayed. But nevertheless, the list of backlinks is useful to check from time to time. One of the advanced users of the link section is disallow links to your sites you deem harmful. Links for the bad sites can hurt your rankings, so if you want to get rid of them, follow the instructions. Crawl errors. The crawl error section shows the errors Google's bot encoded on your website. The data you get is similar to what you get when you see Spider Simulator, or it shows inaccessible pages, missing pages, server errors, and all sort of problems that prevented Google from correctly crawling your website. You also get some crawl status such as number of pages crawls a day that are useful to know. Keywords. Similar to search query sections that also deal with the keywords, but it is one's user type to get your site. The keyword section also shows keywords, however the difference is here you see the keywords and their significance Google has found on your website. The two list of keywords user type and the keywords Google finds on your website could be very different, which means you are not optimizing for what users are searching for. The keyword sections also shows to see theme of your website, which is also more important. Sitemaps. The last section you can access from the dashboard is the sitemap section. Here you see the sitemap of your sites Google has found and the number of URLs in them. If the sitemap found by Google is different from what you expected it to be, you can submit a new sitemap for Google to use. Robots.txt and other advanced stuffs. These sections describe so far the basic Google Webmaster Tool sections. This is also a lot of advanced stuff in each of them, but we would not describe it into details. For instance, you can use your Google Webmaster Tools to submit a robots.txt file or set the preferred domain syntax with or without www to be displayed in search engine. Google Webmaster Tools also knows if your website is infected with malware. If it is, you need to clean it first and then resubmit it for review. Google Webmaster Tool is really valuable instrument for SEO. It gives you a glance data about all important SEO aspects of the site, such as keyword, links, scroll errors. If you do not use it already, take the time and get familiar with it. It will help you get better ranking for sure.